Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove background in Photoshop smoothly. This method will take longer, because the photo background has many colors. So you can use the manual method like in this tutorial. Without further ado, let's get started. Open your Photoshop, and click Open to enter the photo. Click the Quick Selection tool or press the W on your keyboard. Click all the area to be removed. If there are parts that shouldn't be marked, click the polygonal lasso tool and click here. Then remove the marks you want. If the background is perfectly marked, double-click on the lock icon to unlock the layer. And press the Delete key on your keyboard. Then the photo background will be removed. But here looks still less than perfect. So you can make it smoother, click the Eraser tool. Set the opacity and flow numbers between 15 to 30. Delete the sides of the photo. Press Ctrl+Z to undo. Do it until the photo is perfect and looks smoother. If it's done, save the photo with the format you want. You can save in JPEG or PNG format. Just it guys, I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.